By default, each eClass course is automatically hidden from students until the instructor makes it visible. This is also the same case for the eClass gradebook. In this video, I will demonstrate how to make each of them visible. To begin, start on your course homepage, and then navigate to the second option from the left that says Settings. You will then see the first section that says General. To make your course visible, you will navigate 3 options down to Course Visibility. It says Hide. You will then click it and click Show. To make your gradebook visible, keep scrolling down to the bottom of the page where you will find the option of Appearance. Next, you will see Show Gradebook Students 3 options down. It is not displaying the gradebook to students. You will see that option is selected as No. Click it, say Yes, and then scroll down to the bottom where you will see Save and Display. Your course and gradebook will now be visible to students.